Hi everyone, I want to welcome you to the video. Okay, in this video what we're going to be doing, we're going to be going over Aweber. Aweber is a tool that allows you to automate your emails. So when they do see your page and they put their email and their name in, they get an automatic email. Now this is done with a tool called Aweber. I've been with it for the last 5-6 years, something like that, and it's really an amazing tool. They've got some new features going on now, and I'll show you how it is. Now these are my lists. Let me just explain what these is. Now I'm in real estate, so you can see agents, line car agents, Limassol. So these are lists, okay, that I segment and separate, so I know what clients are who. Okay, so I know that these people, BA venture partners, are from a venture that I'm doing online. Beat the banks, developers, Cyprus is all the developers in Cyprus. Let's go a little bit further down here. Now my Scala is for a real estate agency. Okay, now you can see all the leads here. This is for another online thing here. These are leads that have opted in. Now what happens when they put their name and email on a page, which you're going to create with Aweber, we will they will be sent to a list straight away. So let's hop in and see how exactly it works. Now what you can do, you can go to the dashboard. Depending on what list you've got up here, if you can see up here, let me go to one of my lists here. Okay, so if I go to the Scala list, okay. Now you can create a new list. If you want to create a new list, what you do, you go here. Oops. Oh, there you go. Create a new list. Sorry. So you create a new list. Let it pop up. Create a new list, and you name it whatever you want. So you know that the campaign is for that in particular page that you've set it up for. Okay, we need to create sign-up forms or a landing page. Now the difference, there is really no difference. This is just an older version, this is just a new version, and you can see what these guys do here. It's just really good. You can create your own landing page here. There's one of mine. This is for real estate. Get the best property developments list in Cyprus today. So you can put this link on your Facebook or something, and people, your circle, will opt into here. Then you know, and you send them an email, and in that email there's a list, WordPress or whatever, PDF, a list of your properties. So that way you have a client forever. You don't need to ask them for your email. You just ask them here. You don't need to speak to them or nothing. Okay, so take care, and I'll see you in the next video.